Hello to all. This is the online spoken English course. It's your homeschooling. It's the easiest way to get education from home. A comprehensive English course designed for all learners of all ages. Very interactive, fun, loving, and engaging course. So, we are going to learn a lot about communication skills. With our communication skills, we will build on our experience, our ability to speak further. We are going to grow in our skills of speaking. There's going to be a lot of training in this course. Definitely, our competence will increase and we will be more knowledgeable than others. So, it's going to be a practical training course to improve your spoken English and build a lot of self-confidence in you. So if you hesitate to speak in English, this course will give you everything, the entire platform to speak fluently. They're going to be role plays, they're going to be situations, situational conversations, which will give you a lot of impact, a lot of help in conversing well. There'll be vocabulary sessions, which will enrich your vocabulary further. You will be attending public speaking forums through this platform. So there's going to be a lot of public speaking that you will learn to use in your day-to-day life. There'll be interviews which will prepare you best to speak for interviews when you go for one and to take interviews when you take interviews for others in a manner which is going to be helpful to you to use English fluently. So it's a very flexible course, can be done from your home at any time of the day you wish to. From your communication skills, we go further into that the course is designed in a very natural speaking manner and it's going to build on your speaking pattern. There'll be a lot of practice that's going to improve your pronunciation, your intonation and usage of words. So it'll give you a lot of motivation to speak more and more in English and become fluent. The course entails the following things. We will be adding new words to the course every day. There will be a lot of examples. Alphabetically, there will be a lot of words that you will come to know which will be of use for everyday usage. There will be games on vocabulary building. You will speak sentences which are going to be correct. They're going to be grammatically correct. You will speak fluently and will be able to express yourself clearly to people. You'll be audible. You'll be able to make your point more effectively than before. So we will build on your vocabulary skills, which are the right words, when to use those words, how to go about it, for various situations, whether it's a day-to-day practice, whether it's like business English, we will be doing everything in our speaking skills course. What we need from you is start reading loud in your homes. So pick up on a magazine or a newspaper, any articles, any journals, any interviews that you see, jot down those words and use them. At least if the correct usage may be a problem, speak them loud. Keep speaking them. We will see how to include various interviews and other forums in this platform that will help you build on those words when you see them otherwise too. There's going to be a lot of structure. We will look at the tenses, the use of the tenses, past tense, present tense, future tense, when to speak that and which is more appropriate. We will look at the voice, the prepositions, they are the position words, use of the words like on, in, over, under, how to use them, when to use them appropriately. We will be having a lot of sessions in that too. We will learn about conjunctions, the joining words like and, or, but. So the correct usage of those words, we will be learning about that. We will learn about the WH words, the who words, the when words, the what words, the why words, where words, all those question words, how to use them appropriately with a lot of examples and a lot of interviews. We will be bringing them for your course. We learn about different parts of the speech. We know our basics, adjectives, nouns, and verbs, but how to use them appropriately, how to best use them, and make yourself be felt to others, your presence to be felt to others through your speaking abilities is going to be enhanced through this course. There'll be different platforms that we will be speaking on. So you will have a lot of current issues that you will be looking at. You will be listening to a lot of discussions, panel discussions, society discussions, public discussions, the current situations, and what all people speak and how fluently they speak and how can we learn from them. So what are the words that we can actually take from those interviews and use in our everyday vocabulary? What we are going to learn from those interviews and those sessions. We'll be working on phonetics, sounds, symbols, our accent, that we are audible, we are clear, we are able to reach out to people and they can hear us fluently is what we are going to practice and know more about ourselves better. When we move on to an advanced course, after finishing all the course objectives of our simple beginners course, we will be looking at advanced course too. The beginners course will have an intermediate course mixed with that. An advanced course will have similar patterns but will also include storytelling. So what happens with storytelling is your vocabulary enriches. When you speak out loud. You lay a lot of stress on your own voice. You want to be clear, you want to be heard to people. So storytelling platforms will tell you all that. There'll be mock interviews for you. From those mock interviews, you will learn a lot how to conduct those interviews in a better way, what you've learned. So a lot of practice with mock interviews to build on your speaking skills with storytelling and other platforms will be available in this course. There'll be a lot of reports shared with you. So reports generally are of various nature, whether you talk about newspaper reports, you talk about filing a report against anybody, what is the correct vocabulary? So when you speak well, definitely you write well. That will be a part of the course. So the overall benefit is a lot of input. You are listening, you're imbibing, you know it all. And when all that gets structured inside, the output is the speaking ability. The speaking ability enhances and becomes best for us. So thank you for this and wait for the next video to be uploaded soon.